Alright, what's up guys? Nubdub here, back with another video. So today we're actually getting the Shelby GT350 window tinted. So I'm really looking forward to this. As you can see, the 350 doesn't really have, I don't think it has any tint at all. In direct sunlight, you can see straight through the windows, and like I'm not really a fan of that. During car meets, I think it looks a little weird. And also, when I'm driving, I mean, this is a flashy car, so people tend to look at it, but like, then they look at me. So I'm like, look at the car, but don't look at me. Like, I want a little bit of privacy. I know it's something that I kind of signed up for when I got a car like this, but I mean, yeah. Oh yeah, just got these new Ford Performance sunglasses. I believe they're out of stock right now, but if you check their, if you check Ford's merchandise website, yeah, they had these for like $6, so I think they were pretty dope. Alright, gas is filled up. We only put 93 octane in her, and I only fuel up at top tier gas stations. So yeah, I'm at Exxon right now, which is one of them. Apparently top tier gas stations have better detergents and additives in there that help clean out the engine and the fuel system. Let's grab their seat. Whoops. Alright, so yeah, now we're headed to FS Mobile Detailing, where they're gonna install the Lexen Ceramic Tint on my car. So yeah, see you there. Alright, so we're at my guy's place. Yeah, if you're local to like the Northern Virginia area, FS Mobile Detailing is where it's at. So yeah, he's doing my window tint for today. Just waiting for him to open the garage up. He's gonna move his cars, and then gonna park mine, and then we can get started. So here I've included a few clips I recorded during the window tint installation process. I have to give a huge shout out to Fady from FS Mobile Detailing and Marvin and Javier from Ghost Tint for doing such a meticulous job. They made sure to get the exact measurements of my windows and did all the necessary prep while explaining each of their steps to me. If you're in the Northern Virginia region and need a window tint, these guys should definitely be your go-to choice. I'll leave links to their websites and social media in the description down below, so please definitely check them out. Like when you say like be careful about touching the glass, like are you talking about the tint itself, or like both sides?
Both sides, yeah. You know what, I always say that girls can do it, it's true.
So I'm like, yeah, they try to.
I know, it's just like the stupidest thing. Like, you know, you just gotta tell people, hey, just remember this on there.
Or like, yeah.
Nothing to do that you grab it, but you know, overuse.
Right. Send my girlfriend to all the time, like, when you close the door,
The actual shrinking of it.
So the heat gun is kind of like helping it fit.
Exactly. It shrinks it to suit it. There's a specific way to do it, because the thing is,
So what would you say is like your most popular like tint percentage?
35 plays safe. 20 if you really want it dark. I was like, I'll call it this. I'll just do 35, just because it's a cop magnet.
Oh yeah, actually there was a cop tailing me like while I was coming here.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
He was tailing me for a while, and then like he probably when he realized I wasn't gonna do anything stupid, he drove off.
Yeah, dude, it's just when you see a car like this. You should run with it.
guys to stick like urinary things, tracks like down though.
Alright, so I just got the car tinted, so yeah, the installation's complete, and I gotta say, I'm really happy with this install. It looks amazing. So here it is, 35% tint on the driver passenger side windows, and also on the back window. I didn't touch the windshield at all, but yeah, this really, I think, enhances the look of the car. That looks clean. Went with I think it was, the brand was Lexen. It's a ceramic tint. So ceramic tints are supposed to offer the highest level of like heat protection and UV protection. I did notice, like, when I took my car out to Cars and Coffee last weekend and some other car meets, when my car's like left parked in the sun, you can feel the heat like coming in, and it was like 40 degrees last weekend, and you can still feel like the sun kind of beating down on the windows, like in the car. I also wanted to show like what my car looked like from the inside with the tint. So the windshield is untinted, so this is the windshield, and then here's the mirror. Sorry, not the mirror, the side window. So you can see there's a slight difference, but it's really not that bad. I can still see perfectly fine. But yeah, there's the difference. See from the passenger side. Here's the rear. So they did tell me that with the fresh tint install, I'm not supposed to roll my windows down for 5 to 6 days, and I also have to leave my car, or they said I should leave my car out in the sun as much as I can, which it helps dry out any like leftover water from the install. Yeah, that concludes my video. So if you like what you saw, please hit that subscribe button. We're so close to 100. Yeah, thank you so much to those who have subscribed. Yeah, seeing the subscriber count grow, and looking at my analytics and watching like my views grow, my audience is growing, that just encourages me to put out more content for you guys. And yeah, this has been an awesome journey so far. I've enjoyed having my car, and I can't wait to see where else this goes. Yeah, until the next video, guys. Peace.